How to change background color in Word on mobile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily change your background color in Word on mobile. So let's get started. So first I will just open up my any of the dummy or index Word file. So for in this example I'm using this dummy file. So this is my Word file. I can actually edit it over here. So I'll simply press on this edit button over here to actually get started with editing. So you can see there's an arrow icon at the bottom right corner, so just tap on this, and once you're inside your home, just click on this home to click on insert. So once you're inside your insert, just scroll and click on shapes. So you can basically choose any shapes just like this. So once you are satisfied with the shapes you choose, you can simply click on this fill button to actually fill any color, or you can also choose a specified range of color just like this. So let's say I choose red, and that is exactly how you can easily change the background color in Word on mobile. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.